Hello everyone. Today we discuss an important chapter from numerical analysis, that is Newton divided difference interpolation formula. This chapter is important for BTech and BSc courses and also for CSIR UGC NET and GATE exams. So let us start the chapter. Here Newton divided difference interpolation formula. Let y equal to fx is known for n plus 1 distinct arguments xj, not necessarily equispaced, and yj equal to fxj with the corresponding entries. J varies from 0 to n. Here our problem is to construct a polynomial phi x of degree at most n such that phi x replaces fx on the set of arguments xj. Now fxj equal to phi xj and fx is approximated by phi x. Now we have the Newton divided difference formula, that is the first divided difference is denoted by f x0 comma x1, that is fx1 minus fx0 by x1 minus x0, that is equal to also fx1 comma x0. Similarly, the second order divided differences is defined by f x0 comma x1 comma x2 equal to fx1 comma x2 minus f x0 comma x1 by x2 minus x0. Similarly, we can define all the nth order divided differences. Okay. Now, the divided difference interpolation table is defined by in that way. Okay, in the second column, that is the xj, that is arguments. Next column, that is fxj, the corresponding entries, and similarly all the divided differences, the first order differences, second order differences, and so on. So this is the divided difference interpolation table. Now the formula will be phi x equal to fx0 plus x minus x0 into fx0 comma x1 and so on, plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into dot dot x minus xn minus 1 into fx0 comma x1 up to xn. So phi x is a polynomial of degree at most n. Okay, and Rn plus 1 is the error in interpolating fx for a given x other than xj. So Rn plus 1 x is defined by x minus x0 into x minus x1 and so on, x minus xn into f x0 comma x1 and so on xn. So fx exactly equal to phi x plus Rn plus 1 x. Okay, so this is the interpolation formula, that is fx is approximated by phi x. Now our first question here, px with a polynomial of degree at most 3 that passes through the points minus 2 comma 12 minus 1 comma 1 0 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 8. The question is, find the coefficient of x cube in px. To solve the problem, we use the Newton divided difference interpolation table. The table here is this. Okay. So now use the table to find the polynomial px. Okay. Let us use the formula. Here px equal to fx0 plus x minus x0 into fx0 x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into fx0 x1 x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into fx0 x1 x2 x3. So px equal to 12 plus minus 11 into x plus 2 plus 6 into x plus 2 into x plus 1 minus 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 1 into x. So from this polynomial the coefficient of x cube is minus 2. This is the answer. Okay. Next, our next problem, that is, here fx be a polynomial of unknown degree taking the values x 0, 1, 2, 3 and the corresponding entries are 2, 7, 13 and 16 respectively. Given that all the fourth order divided differences are minus 1 by 6, then the coefficient of x cube is, there are 4 options, so find the correct option. Okay. So let us discuss the solution. Again we use Newton divided difference table. So from the table we can construct the approximated polynomial. So fx is approximated by fx0 plus x minus x0 into fx0 x1 and so on up to x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 into fx0 x1 x2 x3 x4. So fx is approximated by 2 plus 5x plus x into x minus 1 by 2 plus minus 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 by 3 plus minus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 by 6. Hence, the coefficient of x cube in the approximated polynomial will be minus 2 by 3 plus minus 6 into minus 1 by 6. So, the result will be 1 by 3. Hence, option A be the correct option. Okay. So, thank you all. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any comment, please do comment in the comment box. Thank you.